Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make your hands soft and smooth. I'll be going over some easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. I specifically have 5 things that you can do that will help your hands be soft and smooth. I do a lot of work outside and around the house, so my hands should be rough, but in reality they're pretty smooth, and I even play the drums, so that should rough my hands up even more, but my hands are really smooth because I usually follow all 5 of these sort of guidelines and rules. Number 1 is wash your hands less if possible. Now, I didn't say don't wash your hands at all. If you have to wash your hands, okay? So obviously that makes the most sense. If you need to wash your hands for sanitary reasons, then wash your hands. But if you're washing your hands and you don't have to, then try to avoid it if you can, okay? So like I said, if you have to wash your hands, wash them. That goes without being said. However, if you're washing your hands unnecessarily, okay, then just cut it out if you can. Because whenever you wash your hands, you're removing the natural oils from your hands, which causes them to actually become a little bit more rough, and it prevents the healing process of the skin for softening them up. Number 2 is use a moisturizing cream. I myself try to use a moisturizing cream twice a day, once in the morning, once before bed. If my hands get rough in the winter, then I try and use it like 3 times a day, like a 3rd time or even a 4th time if they're really bad, but no more than that, okay? What I would recommend is that you just keep some sort of hand cream beside your bed or in your bathroom, and like once a day is more than okay, or twice a day. Just put the cream on your hands, moisturize them, you're gonna feel great. Your husband, wife, spouse, whoever you hold hands with, they're gonna love it too, okay? So just moisturize your hands once or twice a day. It doesn't really need to be more than that. Number 3, this is a game changer. Wear rubber gloves when doing the dishes. I myself don't do this because I really like the feeling of that warm water when I'm washing the dishes, so I sacrifice this one in exchange for that relaxing feeling of myself doing the dishes under the warm water. But my wife has some pretty bad eczema on her hands, and she actually wears rubber gloves when doing the dishes, and when she started doing that, it was a game changer. Her hands didn't peel as much, didn't crack as much, they were much better. So if you find that your hands are rough, or your skin is peeling or cracking, or whatever the case is, splitting, sometimes your nail might even split off from the actual skin part over there, wear rubber gloves when you put your hands in water, like when you're doing the dishes. It is a game changer. Number 4, wear work gloves when doing work outside. Now, I try to wear work gloves as often as I can because I know when I'm carrying wood around or using a shovel, if I don't wear the gloves, my hands will get rough. So wear work gloves when you can. However, there are certain tasks outside that I need my hands to feel for. So in those situations, I won't wear work gloves, but 90% of the time I have work gloves on whenever I'm doing anything outside. It really helps keep your hands soft and smooth because it avoids them getting roughed up by whatever you're working on. But in addition to that, it keeps the oils contained, okay? Lastly, I saved the best for last, which is number 5. This is a game changer as well. I would say once a week, get just a little drop of olive oil, just a drop of olive oil, rub it on your hands, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then wash your hands, okay? Because you don't want to walk around with oily hands, right? Wash the remainder off. Olive oil is one of the best natural moisturizers that you can come across. And the greatest thing about it is that the skin really works well with it. So just get a drop of olive oil, rub it in your hands, let it sit for 5 minutes, try not to touch anything obviously, and then wash your hands with soap and water when you're done, okay, after that 5 minutes has passed, so you don't get oil everywhere with everything that you touch. It is a game changer. Try it out. It works so well for keeping your hands so soft and buttery smooth. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.